Hey folks, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Saiman Shetty, your host and founder of the Smart Green Card program. Monthly visa bulletins are crucial for knowing when you can file your adjustment of status applications with USCIS or to even calculate the wait times for receiving your green card. Now, one such visa bulletin that has come out is the May 2024 Visa Bulletin. I'll break down what it entails for certain employment-based green card applicants from India. Now, starting with the EB1 category. The final action date for India has not shown really any movement in the May 2024 Visa Bulletin. It remains the same, which is March 1st, 2021. Those are the applications that they are processing right now. Now, moving to the EB2 and EB3 green card categories. Similarly, EB2 and EB3 for India also show no movement. EB2 remains as April 15th, 2012 and EB3 remains on August 15th, 2012. This is expected really. Most people think that it's not moved a lot and that's bad news, but this is really expected because USCIS has stated that previously. They have stated that there will be little to no movement for employment-based categories as the final action dates advanced in the April 2024 Visa Bulletin. So USCIS might also be going like, hey, come on, we adjusted it in the April 2024 Visa Bulletin. Ab kitna kare? Like, how much should we even keep doing this, right? But anyway, all jokes apart, it's the same. So, but it is also important to note which dates they give you the guidance to use. And in the May Visa Bulletin, you can only use the final action date chart for the employment-based green card categories as well. So what do we really infer from these monthly visa bulletins? If we look back at the January Visa Bulletin, the EB1 category's final action date for India saw an advance of 3.8 years. And in the last month's Visa Bulletin, which is the April Visa Bulletin, it advanced by 5 months. When comparing the EB2 and EB3 categories for India, it is noted that the EB2 final action date experienced its maximum movement, reaching an increase of only 2 months between the months of January and May 2024 Visa Bulletins. Similarly, EB3 is also the same. Final action dates had its highest movement during the same time frame, but it was only 1 month. Now, you're talking of a span of probably over a quarter, and then the final action dates have moved only 1 month, which means it's not even a one-to-one map. It's probably like a 4x multiple of what wait you are seeing right now. So on paper, if the wait times are like 12 years, you're probably looking at, I think, about 20, 30, 40 years. And that's the uncertainty that people are talking about, that they don't know how much they'll be waiting on EB2 and EB3. And that continues on this month's Visa Bulletin as well. So the monthly Visa Bulletins now show that EB1 or EB1A final action dates move faster, while the EB2 or EB3 final action dates show little or no movement at all. You might be also shocked by what the Cato Institute reports. Now, this is an agency that does like independent research on all the trends in immigration. And according to the Cato Institute report, as of March 2023, there are 1.8 million employment-based applications in the backlog. Among these, the 1.1 million applications are Indians, mostly from the EB2 and EB3 green card categories. So you can see how high the demand is for these categories from India. If you are a new Indian applicant for the EB2 and EB3 green card categories, you may have to wait at least, according to some reports, 134 years to receive your green card. Probably they might have applied a different multiple as to what I applied, but you see the logic here. So choose your green card application wisely by understanding the real facts. But how does one even interpret the Visa Bulletin? Go to the employment-based final action chart and locate your green card category and country of origin to determine your final action date. If your priority date is on or before the final action date, then an immigrant visa is available for you. It's a green card is available for you, meaning you can file a 485 application with USCIS. If you don't meet this rule, then refer to the date for filing the employment-based green card category. If your priority date matches or is earlier than the filing date of your category, then you can file a 485 with the USCIS. However, you will receive a green card only when your priority date is available in the final action date chart. You can use the date for the final action chart only when USCIS allows you to use it in that particular month. The dates for the filing chart help in receiving EAD and advanced parole earlier though. To wrap up this video, you can file your EB1A yourself with USCIS without any employer sponsorship. There is no requirement for labor certification or a master's degree for the EB1A. Also, no PhD requirement or research requirement. Prove your extraordinary ability in your field of expertise and you will qualify for the EB1A. If you are searching for guidance and support to build a compelling EB1A profile to enhance your success, just check out our Smart Green Card program's VIP plan. Subscribe for more insights and hit that like button if this video was helpful. And drop your questions in the comments below. Until next time, this is Saiman Shetty from Smart Green Card signing off. Peace.